Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamara Erskine and I help moms look their best, feel their best, and parent their best in the modern mom age. In today's 2-minute mini review segment, I take a closer look at the NYX Studio Finishing powder for you. I bought this at Ulta for $9.99, but I did find that it's also available at Target for $6.99 online. It is 100% pure mineral silica powder meant to set foundation or wear alone. It is white and translucent, and it says to use it lightly. To apply it, I put on foundation and concealer, and then I just take a light fluffy brush and very lightly apply it beneath my eyes and my T-zone where I tend to be more oily. I've been using Laura Mercier's translucent powder for about 3 years strong, and I just wanted something a little lighter and that wouldn't settle into the fine lines beneath my eyes, so I gave this a try. I used the Laura Mercier powder to bake, and I tried doing that with this once. I will warn you, this is not a baking powder. Again, this is not a baking powder. You have been warned. I love that the NYX Studio Finishing powder is very light. It does minimize any creasing in my makeup beneath my eyes. It's very smooth and it's lightweight. It usually lasts about 8+ hours for me. What I don't like: the powder is so light and finely milled that when you're applying it, you almost have to hold your breath. It just blows right up into your nose. It also has a very chemical, metallic-y smell that I'm not fond of, but that's just personal opinion. Third, you'll know that you've put on too much when it leaves a chalky residue. It is very relentless. If you do that, take your makeup off, go back to bed. It's not happening. You're gonna have to start from scratch. With that being said, I will give this product 3 stars, and I will not be repurchasing this. I'll use it up very carefully because I already bought it. If you like this review, go ahead and leave a like below. Consider subscribing if you're new, and I will see you beauties in my next video.